Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I have some friend mail, and I have 3 packages, and it's from 2 different people. So let me open 2 of the packages I knew were coming. It's from Janet, a subscriber. She just goes by Janet, and you may have seen her around because she's a great commenter. And then I have this package, and it's in an Ipsy bag. I can sort of see under my label somebody's name, but I'm not quite sure. So let me open it up and see. I did, like I said, cut it open. There's a card. Let me start with the card. Oh, how cute is that, y'all? Now, I just want y'all to know, I did get some of these things before Halloween, but I'm not able to show them to you until after Halloween, or you may see them before Halloween. I'm not really sure. But this is a Halloween card. Isn't that adorable? I love that. I love the good old-fashioned jack-o'-lantern. So cute. And this is from Marlene Walker, I thought, but I wasn't sure. Didn't want to say till I saw for sure. It says, "You always have a special glow that makes you so fun to know. Happy Halloween, your friend Marlene Walker." And it says, "Dear Mary, hope this card makes you happy during Halloween. I have included some goodies for you. Hope you enjoy them." Thank you so much, Marlene. That's so sweet. And she's got the cutest sticker on here, y'all. Look at that. It's a mummy dog. I think it's a dog. Or no, it's a kitty. It's a kitty. I thought that was a snout, but it's a kitty with a little jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. How cute is that? Thank you, Marlene. That's so sweet of you. And let's see what's in here, y'all. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Look how cute. Look how cute these socks are, y'all. These are crew socks. I love that length. That is I don't like them to go all the way to the knees. I like, anywhere from right above the ankle to here. So these are perfect. How cute are they? With the black cats and the jack-o'-lanterns. Thank you, Marlene. I love them. Love them, love them. And there is a lovely sheet mask in here. I don't think I've seen this one before, but this is the brand Haru. And I have had that brand before. This one, it says Wonder over here. And it's Maqui Berry. I don't know what, M-A-Q-U-I, Maqui Berry. Antioxidant, an intensive sheet mask that works to correct pigmentation, boost radiance, and deeply hydrate for a brighter, even toned complexion. That sounds lovely. And that purple just makes me want to dive right in. I love color. This is my favorite color. This is my favorite color. Blue is my favorite color. I've got a lot of favorite colors, y'all. Y'all me. I like a lot of things. So thank you so much, Marlene, for thinking of me, and happy Halloween to you. And I apologize that this might be a little bit late for Halloween, but it's not very late. I did get it before Halloween, so thank you. I have had a couple of things before Halloween, y'all. And then I had that root canal, so I didn't record for a few days. So when I finally got to record, it was mostly on the weekend after the root canal. So I'm not exactly sure when these are going to post. So please forgive me. And then I have a couple of packages, and these are from Janet, the subscriber Janet. And I did cut them open. And this one is falling out, so let's look at it right quick. This is a bag like this, and these came to me from Amazon. So this looks like a t-shirt. How cute. Okay, let's see. Oh, it looks cute, y'all. Let me open it up and show you. What did it say? Ew, people. Oh, I thought it was so weird. Ew, people. That's so funny. Look how cute that is, y'all. I love it. I love it. Thank you, Janet. That's so sweet. Now, I will say I don't know this is going to fit me, but I can try. I can try. It says it's an XL, and I'm more of a 1X person, a 2X for a t-shirt, but I'll try it. I will sure try it. It is so cute. Okay, Smudge, you come up to see? That's what Smudge and Blue, y'all. I always have tales to tell you. Thank you, Janet. That's so cute. I love the gray too. This is so soft. It's not like a regular t-shirt. It's very soft. Okay, Smudge. He's going to sit down on the other bag. Since Honeybee hasn't been here, and I'm not saying she was super loud by any means, but every little thing, if the water drips, they jump and they're all crazy. Every little noise. When you're in a house, sometimes the house makes little noises, and I mean, it's nothing, but they, I don't know, like what happened earlier was a dish in the dish drainer shifted or something, and it was, a little bit of a noise, and Blue was over here with me, and he just freaked out and ran off and practically broke everything on the table to get away. I don't know why they're so skittish, but they are. They were that way when I first got them. You know, they've been through a lot. They were through a lot before I got them. But Buddy was here, and you know, Buddy, the dog. Not that dogs make a lot of noise. My dog was not a heavy barker or anything, but just him walking, you know, you'd hear tip tap his feet. And Honeybee also, you'd hear her tip tap. These two, you don't hear a thing. They're so quiet you can't hear them, and they're afraid of everything. So, okay, Smudge, you want to sit down? Because I'm going to open this other package. Come on, sit. We don't want to show our bottom to everybody. Okay, this is this package, and I did, it had a strip that you pull off here, and I did that. Okay, Smudge. Ooh, things are falling. Hang on. He has to get this chewing on things. Now this one, you know, oh, this is so sweet. It says, wow, happy anniversary, Mary, from Janet. Thank you, Janet, so much. That's so sweet. Now the other bag didn't have anything in it, I don't think. But Janet told me that something was coming, so I knew it was from her. Actually, there's two. This is funny because there's 2 gift cards in this bag, so they probably forgot to put the other one in the other bag, which I think, yeah, because there's nothing in that other bag. Oh well, that's Amazon for you. Here comes the train through. All right, there's 2 really cute things in here. This is beautiful. Look, let me take this out of the bag. It says, "You are one amazing lady." This is very heavy. Smudge. Chew on that on the floor so you're out of the way. You're making too much noise. You're louder than the train. Okay. This is beautiful, Janet. Thank you. Janet finds the most beautiful and inspirational things. This is beautiful. Can you see that? I'll read it in a moment. And that butterfly is raised and it's all sparkly. You can see that. How pretty is that? It says, "You are so good to the people in your life, so considerate and caring. When you give, it's easy to see that it comes straight from the heart, and it gives everyone around you the gift of a nicer world to live in." Oh, that's so sweet. "I hope you'll never forget how much I treasure just being in this world with you." Janet, you're so sweet. I feel the same way about you as I do about all of my subscribers. "You are such a deserving person, and I really hope that all your days are as beautiful and as bright as the ones you inspire in other people's lives." Thank you, Janet. That's beautiful. Beautiful. That's from Blue Mountain Arts. Okay, sit. Now this has a easel where you could set it out like on your desk or dressing table or something to inspire you, or you can hang it on a cabinet at work or your refrigerator or something. That's beautiful. Thank you, Janet. Okay, Smudge, you're gonna have to sit down. Okay, because I have to show this other now. Sit down. He's just right here, y'all. And then there is something very beautiful. This is Laurel Birch. If you're a cat lover, you probably know Laurel Birch. She is a cat artist. I believe that's really what she makes mostly, are cat pictures. I don't think I've ever seen any dog pictures. This is beautiful. Let me show it to you and then I'll look and see what further. Here's the back of it. See, if you might recognize her work by seeing that. She makes beautiful designs of cats. This is gorgeous, Janet. Can you see that is all beadwork, ribbon and beadwork along the edging? How pretty is that? All the different colors in here. And this is, there's a snap here. This looks like a bag that you can adjust it. All right, there's that snap pocket there. And you can put this over your shoulder. You can adjust this to go over your head. I like that kind of bag that you can put over your head, so when you're shopping, this is right in front of you. So, you know, nobody can get into it. And that is beautiful, Janet. Look at that pretty, oh, look at the pull. It says Laurel Birch on the back, and then it's a beautiful cat, just like the cats that she makes. And then when you open it, it has a nice big space inside. So it's lined very nicely, and I would call this a canvas material. That is so beautiful. Then there's a very nicely made. And there is this charm. Is that what they call it when there's something hanging from the bag? This is wood, and it's hanging from the bag there. And then there is this adorable tag. Go ahead, smash it. Laurel Birch tag. And then there is a little card to tell you about it. And this also is her artwork. She makes women as well. Celebrate your own special spirit. Fly on the wings of your secret dreams. Laurel. Laurel Birch has been a phenomenal, Laurel Birch has been a not phenom. Why can't I say that? Phenomenon since she began making jewelry by hand and selling it on the streets of San Francisco when she was only 19. Over the next 40 years, she became an internationally known artist and designer with an instantly recognizable palette and style. Her vivid and vibrantly colored images are whimsical creations from a mythical world of her imagination. Recognized for her iconic cat figures and handmade jewelry, Laurel created art that is timeless, joyful, and uplifting. The passion of her life was to emphasize our connections with the earth and all living things. That is so beautiful. Thank you so much, Janet. Janet, you are spectacular. You are a wonder. Janet finds all these beautiful gifts for a lot of us ladies on YouTube, and this is just so unique. It's so unique and beautiful. Thank you, Janet, so much. That is just beautiful. Thank you so much. Now Smudge is sitting right here. Are you gonna sit and let me see? So thank you so much, Janet. This is from Janet. This is going on my refrigerator right away, and I'm gonna be using this when I shop. And Marlene, thank you for this beautiful Halloween gift. And neither of these ladies have channels, y'all. They're subscribers, so I won't put them below, but thank you so much for stopping by to see what they sent to me. And thank you, ladies, so much. You're so kind, and I really appreciate you. Here comes the train, so I'm gonna get off of here, y'all. Thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. Bye-bye. Y'all, and I did not mean to forget the t-shirt. It's right here. It's just the cutest thing. I'm gonna try it on. You never know, it may fit.